So I wanted to come on here and show you guys how I apply my wigs on a day-to-day basis. So I already have my stocking cap on, and I have it on in the shade Nude. And underneath here, I typically have my hair wrapped because sometimes when I'm wearing my wigs, I like to take my hair down at night and I like to just run my fingers through my hair and make sure that my hair is oiled, and then, you know, wrap my hair back up for the night. Sometimes I will have my hair braided, but for the most part these last few weeks, I've just been wearing my hair wrapped because I still like to wash my hair every week without having to, you know, worry about the hassle of having braids. So yeah, basically I'm just going to be showing you guys how I apply my wigs, and I'll be using my Got2b glue, and I'll also be using this little applicator brush. You guys better know it as like a perm brush. And then you're going to need some scissors because obviously I have to cut the lace part off of this wig. This is going to be my first time wearing this wig, but you guys, this wig is so beautiful. By the time this video goes up, I'm pretty sure I would have shown you guys this wig and how I made it and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and cut the lace off of this unit. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and place the wig on to see if I have any more lace that needs to come off. And it looks pretty close. So now what I do is I bring the stocking cap down just a little bit further past my baby hairs. And actually I can take that off. But yeah, I just bring it down just a little bit because I don't like the glue to be on my real hair, because obviously I don't wash my hair every day. So the next time I wash my hair is going to be like a week from now, and I'm not too sure if I'm going to be wearing wigs every single day. So I just like to take a little bit of precautionary and just put the glue on the stocking cap itself. And I'm just going to be taking a little bit and I place it on like the edge of the applicator brush. And I don't use a lot because I don't need these to stay secure for a long time. But what I do is I just place the glue right where I want the wig to be secured. And I put it just a little bit on my hairline because when I wash my face, obviously, you know, I'm gonna get that off. So just place that just a little bit. And now I'm just gonna go in with my blow dryer and blow dry this over maybe about 2 to 3 times. So just enough for it to get tacky and not enough for it to get dry. And then I just throw my wig on and pull it down and basically just line it up with that stocking cap. And then I'll try to place my fingers on the hair to hold it down for a hot second, and then I'll go back in with the end of this thingy, the applicator brush, and yeah, just kind of fuse it down just a little bit with the glue. And then I'll go back over it with the blow dryer. And then sometimes I'll just keep on pressing it until I feel like it's just secure enough. And I typically only just like to keep it like secure right where the part is, because all that other stuff is not really necessary to me. So yeah, now I'm just gonna fluff the wig out a bit. And yeah, that is pretty much how I apply these wigs, you guys. I hope you guys liked it, found this helpful. I'll catch you guys later.